In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Face ID on GCash 2025. If you prefer entering your MPIN instead of using Face ID, or you're troubleshooting login issues, turning off Face ID in GCash is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it step by step, and along the way I'll share a few tips so you know exactly what to expect. Just a heads up, Face ID is an iOS feature. If you're on Android, you'll typically see biometrics or face unlock instead, but the idea is similar inside the app. Start by opening the GCash app on your phone. Make sure you're connected to the internet and that the app is up to date, so the menus look current. Once the app loads, you should land on the main dashboard. From there, go to your profile. You'll usually find profile from the home screen, either via your profile picture or name or in the menu area. This is where your account information and app preferences are grouped, so it's the right place for anything related to your login and security. Inside your profile, access the security settings. Depending on your version, this may appear as Security, Security Settings, or Security Center. This section manages how you sign in and verify actions, including biometric options like Face ID. Take a moment to look around so you're familiar with what's enabled on your account. Now find the option labeled Face ID and switch it off. When you toggle Face ID off, GCash will stop using your face to unlock the app or approve actions, and it will fall back to your MPN. Make sure you remember your MPN, because that becomes your primary way to log in after you disable Face ID. To complete the change, confirm the action. The app will typically ask you to verify that it's really you by entering your MPN or responding to a quick prompt. Approve that, and you should see confirmation that Face ID has been disabled. If the app doesn't update right away, closing and reopening GCash will usually reflect the change. From this point on, when you open GCash, you'll be asked for your MPIN instead of scanning your face. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same security settings page and turn Face ID back on. If the Face ID option doesn't appear, update your app and make sure Face ID is set up at the device level in your phone settings. That's it. Simple and secure. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you manage your GCash login the way you prefer.